lights inside. So when you need to get through, what's going on? Basement under everything. That's your sewer water. That is your another across the entire thing. Everything was sealed again 2 years ago. It stays inside all the time. Awning works fine. Again, the basement, this is LP. This is your LP down here. And you got full basement, like complete basement. And step, porch lights, ceiling lights, and floor lights. And that's the floor lights in there. Screen door. Like I said, this goes right through. All the pieces were replaced on that to make it work. Generator's running. So let's take a tour inside. New sofa, jackknife sofa. Tons of storage. Tons of storage. 32-inch screen TV that pulls out. Storage on the right. Let's look at here's the front. Got extra power up here. 94,000 miles. It's on a rebuilt motor that has 7-year, 75,000 mile warranty on it. It's a 454. The carburetor was rebuilt 2 years ago. It has headman headers. And okay, so this has got the table and has power on the side. This is the lounge chair. This is the original. So this is the original owner manual, service manual, everything you need. This bed, this table turns into a bed. Tons of storage space. This is more storage than our newer RV. Has a Magic Chef combination. Has a Magic Chef combination browner. Here's all the stats: water pump, gas level, gas, water level, holding tank 1, 2, water pump, hot water heater, display on, hours, minutes, the whole 9 yards. This is a gas stove that we hardly ever used. Gas stove, oven, tons of storage underneath here, double sink, storage up here. Tons of storage up here. Like I said, there's just so much storage in this. Now, if we look, turn a little bit, we can turn the air conditioner on. So we have the air conditioner. We have dual air. Both airs work. Both airs work at the same time. We've got closet space. We have a refrigerator, works off electric. We have this closet too, the big wardrobe closet. Big wardrobe closet. We've got storage down here too, which is amazing. Tons of storage. Okay, we just replaced the house electrical system. Full change out for the charging system and everything else that's involved. Refrigerator here. This is the bathroom. This is the toilet, the sink. It's got a nice vanity, tons of space. See the toilet? And then we'll turn. This has got, again, dual air. Got dual air. Turn on this air too, so now they're both running. Some mirror storage above the bed, which is huge. We can get like 10 helmets in there. Full size bed. Lamps, reading lamps, power. These are more storage here. Complete storage here with a light in it. Tons of storage in this RV. So much storage. Well, I think there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 helmets in there right now. A little storage on the side. Everything functions. Now, super cool race car wall. Yeah, that was just for fun. We never. Oh, shower. I forgot about the shower. Yeah, we used it for storage because everywhere we went had showers. Little tiny water issues. We removed the curtain up top. That would separate the two, the bathroom and the other curtain, just because it didn't make any sense to have it. And again, now, come back. This is a pretty long RV. Pretty long RV. Here the airs running, both air at the same time, because the size of the generator is huge. Big RV.